Welcome to Legacy IS Academy. In the last video, I have discussed about highest common factor, and in this video, I am going to discuss least common multiple. So, first of all, we have to understand what is least common multiple. So, here word you have to understand common and multiple. In the last video, I have discussed what are the factors. Factors are nothing but which are going to divide our giving numbers. When we talked about factors of 6, it simple means 6 can be divided by 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. Whenever we talked about multiple comes in a multiple of a number. When we talked about like 6, multiple of 6, so 6 has multiple like 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 18, 24, 30. Means 6 has multiple like 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. 6 can be divide all these multiples. Okay. Then we talked about 9. 9 has multiple 9, 18, 24, 36. Here 6 also have 36 as a multiple. So 6 have multiple like 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36. Same way 9 also have 9, 18, 27, 36. When we talked about common, so here we have common multiple like 18, we have common multiple like 36, then maybe another we have common multiple like 54. So these are the common, means this number is continuously increasing, means 6 have n number of multiple, same way 9 also have n number of multiple, both 6 and 9 also have common multiple. When we talked about common multiple of 6 and 9, it can be 18, 36 and 54. Now come to the least. Here we have to see the least common multiple, that is the 18. So answers will be LCM of 6 and 9 will be 18. So these things you have to understand. So what we have understood till now, we have understood LCM. LCM is nothing but it is a least number which can be divided by the giving numbers. It is the least number which can be divided by the giving numbers. So how we can calculate? We can calculate two ways. You can just take factors of 6, it is 2 and 3, factors of 9, it is 3 and 3, and we have to like 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1, here 3 to the power 2. So we have to take all the number and the highest power. So here we have to take 2 and we have to take 3 to the power 2, it will be 80. Okay. Second way, you can solve, you can get the LCM this way also, like 6 and 9, take least number which can divide both these giving number. So 3 to the 6, 3 3 is 9, then just multiply all these number 3, 2, 3 and we are going to get 18 as a LCM. So here we have understood what is LCM, how we can calculate, and just remember LCM will be the number which is divided by the giving number, HCF will be the number which divide the giving numbers. Okay. Now here again you can see like how we can find the LCM of 150, 210, 375. We have to take a factors of 150. Factors of 150 will be like 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. Same way factors of 210 will be 5 into 2 into 7 into 3. Factors of 375 will be 5 into 5 into 5 into 3. So here we have 5 to the power 2, 3 to the power 1 and 2 to the power 1. Here again 5 to the power 1, 2 to the power 1, 3 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 1. Here again 5 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 1, and we have to take maximum value. Maximum power of 2 is 1, maximum power of 3 is 1, maximum power of 7 is, maximum power of 5 is 3 and maximum power of 7 is 1. That is the answer. Answer will be 5250. So this is the way you can get the LCM. Now we will see some questions. Now we are going to see some questions like okay, this is the question. 3 well ring at an interval of 18, 24, 32 minutes respectively. At a certain time they begin to ring together. What length of time will elapse before they will ring again together? Just to understand these questions, I will take less value. Consider ring A, ring B and ring C. Ring A, I can say that like well A, well B and well C. They ring, well A ring at the interval of 6, well B ring at the interval of 9, well C ring at the interval of 12. So I can say that 6 after again 6 minutes, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Okay, first it will start. Consider 9 am. Again these well will continuing like 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42. Same way 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, like same way 12, 24, 36, 48. So this is the common number, and what it is? It is LCM. Getting the point? It simple mean whenever such type of questions will come, what we should do? We should just get a LCM, and LCM will be the least common multiple, means first time again they will ring together. Here again we have to take a LCM of 18, 24 and 32. So we have to start to divide by smallest number, that is 2, 9, 12, 16, again 2, 9, 6, 18, again 2, 9, 3, 4, again 3, 3 3 is 9, 3 1 and 3 4. Now all are relative prime, so then 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. So it will be like 8 into 9 into 4, okay, and then 9 4 ja 36 into 8, 8 6 ja 48, 4 carry, 8 3 ja 24 and 4 28. After 288 minutes we can convert it into hours, so we can divide like 60, 288, 64, 600 and 4 6 are 24. So we have like 8, 48. So 4 hours 48 minutes. So answer will be B. So hope you are able to understand like how we can get this particular questions. Sometime in this particular questions it is not mentioned you have to get LCM, but you have to understand the concept of the LCM. When you are able to understand the concept of the LCM, then you are going to solve this particular questions. Now come to like here the solution is giving. Now type 1. Type 1 of the questions like that, the least number which when divided by x, y, z leaves the same remainder r in each case. Okay. So how we can get this particular question? Consider question is like that, when we divide a number, a least number by 6, 9 and 12, it gives 2 as a remainder in each case. Simple. So how we can get it? Like we have to get LCM of 6, 9 and 12. It will be, we have discussed already, it will be 36, and we have to just add the remainder 9, 2. So answer will be 38. Got it? It simple mean when 38 is divided by like 6, 9 and 12, it is going to give a remainder, that is 2 in every case. Got it? Now we have to come to second type. Second type questions are the least number which when divided by x, y, z leaves the remainder a, b, c respectively or respectively. So LCM will be LCM of x, y, z minus r. R will be x minus a, y minus b, z minus c. So here first of all, here you have to understand what is R. R will be x minus a, y minus b, z minus c. So this type, okay, this concept will be applicable only when we are subtracting like number and remainder and all are equal. Try to understand this. Okay, here consider, for example, we can see that find the least number which when divided by 6, 9, 18 gives remainder 4, 7 gives remainder 4, 7 and 16, 4, 7 and 16 in each case. Okay, it simple mean here 6 minus 4 equal to 9 minus 7 equal to 18 minus 2, 18 minus 16, so it will be 2. So the value of the R will be 2. Clear? So again we have to get a LCM of, I can say that LCM of 6, 9, 18, again it will be 36 and 36 minus 2. So answers will be 34. So hope you are able to understand this concept. This concept is applicable, only difference is same. Now come to the one more questions. Find the lowest number which when subtracted from 3000 exactly divisible by 7, 11, 13. Exactly divisible, it means we have to get the LCM. Okay. One more thing you have to understand, when we are getting LCM of 6 and 9, that is 18. It means multiple of 18 is also divisible by 6. Like another number will be 36, then we have 54, then we have 72. Okay. So same way the LCM of 7, 11, 13. What will be the LCM of 7, 11, 13? Try to pause the video and again try to get it. It will be somehow 1001 because all are prime number. We have to just multiply all these giving number, we will get the this LCM again. Here the value we have 3000, so we have to reach up to 3000 or less than 3000. So we can divide, x can be again 2, so 2, okay. When we are putting the value of x3, it will be more than 3000. So somehow we can say that answers will be, so it is 8, it is 9, it is 9. So answer is 998. When we are going to subtract 998 from 3000, we are going to get 2002. 2002 is exactly divisible by 7, 11, 13. Hope you are able to understand. If you are not able to understand, you can put your view in a comment box. You can see here answers also. One more question, which is the least number that must be subtracted from 1856 so that remainder when divided by 7, 12, 16 will leave remainder 4 in each case. Pause the video, try to attempt this particular questions, then it will be more helpful. So in this particular questions, what we should do, we should get LCM of 7, 12, 16. First of all, we have to get a LCM of 7, 12, 16. Okay. Then we have one number 856. We have to reach till here and we have to put x plus 4, and somehow we have to reach till here. So first of all, you have to get a LCM of 7, 12, 16, LCM of 7, 12, 16. So what will be the LCM of 7, 12, 16? Seven, 12, 16. Here 2, 6 are 12, 2, 8, again 2, 3, 4. So answers will be like, we can say that 2 into 2 into 7 into 3 into 4. So it will be 2 to the 4, 4 the 16 and 21. So 16 into 21, then we have 16, and then 2, 6 12, and 2 1 2, 3. So we have somehow 3, 3, 6. So LCM is 3, 3, 6. Okay. So 3, 3, 6 into x, it should be less than 1856. So we should reach till there. So okay, I have to multiply by 4. If I will multiply by 5, or I can multiply 6, 6 will be more than that, I can multiply by 5. So 5, 6 are 30, 5 3 are 15, and 3 carry, we can say 18, 5 3 are 15, and 1 16. Okay. So I have somehow 16, 80, but I have to get a remainder 4 also. So this 4, so 16, 84, and now I have to subtract from 1856 minus 1684, and I am going to get an answer. So hope you are able to understand. As I told, first of all you have to get a LCM, then multiply by appropriate number, then add 4 and subtract from the giving number, you are going to get an answer. So hope last question you are able to understand. Here again it is also very simple questions if you are able to understand the concept of LCM. Now this question is not much difficult. I have a certain number of beads which lie between 600 and 900. If two beads are taken away, the remainder can be equally divided by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12. So it means I have to get LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12, and I have to add these two, and this value should be between 600 to 900. So we have to first get a LCM. So LCM of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12. So here first we have to take 2, 3, 2, 5, 3, 7, and then 6, again 2, 3, 2, 5, 2 ones are 2, and 3, then 7, then 3. Okay, you can stop the video, get the LCM. I can take the LCM here. So LCM will be 420. So 420 into x plus 2, it should be between 600 to 900. We can take x की value 2. So 2048 plus 2, which is between 600 to 900. So 842 will be the answer. So hope you are able to understand. Now you are able to understand the concept. Whenever they are telling okay, remainder will be this, so we have to add the remainder. Okay, now we will see one more questions. The least number which when divided by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 leaves in each case a remainder 1. Okay, but when divided by 7 there is no remainder. So again, first of all we have to get a LCM. Also I will suggest pause the video, try to solve this question, then you will get an answer. So LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you will get a LCM. Okay, multiply x plus 1 divided by 7, means you will get a LCM 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I think LCM will be 60. LCM will be 60. So 60 into x plus 1 divided by 7. Here you have to put the value of x1, x2, x3, which is satisfy this giving condition. Get it? Got it? Here you can see what value will satisfy. Value of x will be 5. If you are going to put value of x is 5, so 60 into 5 plus 1 means it will be 300 plus 1. 301 is exactly divided by 7. When you divide by 7, it will be 7 4s are 28, 2 1, 7 3s are 21. It means 301 is the least number, which when we are going to divide by 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, it will leave a remainder 1. But when we are going to divide by 7, there is no remainder. You have to understand this part very well. It is very important. So answers will be 301. Okay, so hope you are able to understand LCM very well. In the last two videos I have covered two important concepts, that is HCF and LCM. You will get at least 1 or 2 questions in every year from HCF also and the LCM also. Questions will be application based. Okay, so it means you have to understand the concept very well, because in the questions they are not going to mention okay, this question is based on HCF or this question is based on LCM. You have to think yourself and then you have to try to solve this question. Okay, so hopefully you are able to understand about HCF and LCM. And second thing is, in maybe I will take a few more questions based on HCF and LCM which UPSC has asked. Thank you for watching the video.